Hi guys and girls, here is a type of word problem you may encounter in MyOpenMath. So it says, a clothing business finds there is a linear relationship between the number of shirts, N, it can sell and price, P. It can charge per shirt. In particular, historical data shows that 1,000 shirts can be sold at a price of $40, while 4,000 shirts can be sold at a price of $13. Give a linear equation in the form P equals Mn plus B that gives the price P they can charge for N shirts. Now the equation P equals Mn plus B, that looks a lot like Y equals Mx plus B. And the reason that is they're just using P in place of Y and N in place of X. So the way we're going to solve this problem is we're going to make two ordered pairs, but instead of X, Y, they're N comma P, but same idea. So our first point we can get from the 1,000 shirts being sold at a price of $40. So if N is a number of shirts, our point would be 1,000, because it's 1,000 shirts, and the price is $40. So 1,000 comma 40. Now our other point is 4,000 shirts at $13. Now to solve this, we're going to, like we've been doing, come up with a linear equation from those 2 points. The first thing we need to do is find slope. So even though these points are really N and P, I'm still going to call them x1, y1, and x2, y2, because that's how I'm comfortable setting up the slope formula. So on the top for slope, we have y2 minus y1, so 13 minus 40, over x2, 4,000, minus x1, 1,000. And then we'll just subtract the numerator and denominator. So on the top, we'll get negative 27 from 13 minus 40. And on the bottom, we'll get 3,000. Now, we could make this a simplified fraction, but I know for a fact that MyOpenMath accepts these problems as decimals. So to make it a little easier for you, we're going to keep this problem a decimal, actually. And when we divide negative 27 divided by 3,000, we're going to get negative 0.009. All right, now that we have our slope, we need to find our B. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to plug in one of the points for X and Y. So I almost always just pick the first point. So I'm going to do 1,000 comma 40. So we're doing Y equals Mx plus B. For the Y value of this point, it's 40. So we're going to sub 40 for Y. And then our slope we found was negative 0.009. And then the X value of that point is 1,000. And then what we still don't know is what B is. That's what we're solving for. So plus B at the end, don't forget that. Now, next up, we want to multiply the negative 0.009 times 1,000. And when we do that, we get a nice even number. Well, technically odd number, but a nice whole number, negative 9. So 40 equals negative 9 plus B. Now we want to isolate the B. This is negative, so we'll add 9 to both sides. They cancel out on the right. So B equals 49. Now, we solve for M and B. Our last step is to write the equation. We have to be a little careful in this case because they gave us variables to use. They said, don't use X and Y, use P and N. So where we write our answer, P equals, so Y is already written as P. It's going to be Mn plus B. So our M was negative 0.009. And then instead of X, make sure you write N there. And then plus our B, which we found to be 49. All right, hope that helps. Thanks for watching.